Hi YouTube, it's Liberty for All here with another video. I am doing a video about some healthcare workers who have chosen to not get the vaccine and just doing my commentary on the video. As usual, I'm going to play it and I will be back.
Show of hands, how many of you have gotten a COVID vaccine?
These are 4 healthcare workers from different hospitals in North Carolina.
Why not?
We don't know what the long-term side effects are.
It also hasn't been proven to be effective.
The CDC and many public health experts say that it's more than 90% effective.
They do say that. That hasn't proven to me to be true.
I'm not going to just jump on a bandwagon with something that has not been tested.
When you say that it hasn't been tested, it has been tested though.
But not to the, if you look at the normal year span of how long something is tested, it's usually 12 to 14 years before it comes to humans.
Across the country, about 1 in 4 healthcare workers still isn't vaccinated against COVID. And from North Carolina to Texas to New York, anti-mandate protests are mounting.
I don't trust it right now.
So is the pushback.
This is in the category of give me a bleeping break. When did everyone get a medical degree?
For weeks, we've spoken with many overworked healthcare workers who practically begged Americans to get the shot.
What do you tell people who just don't believe you?
It's frustrating.
Not these. They say they're not anti-vax, more anti-mandate.
And I'm not comfortable putting something into my body until I am ready. If and when I'm ready to get the vaccine, I will get it on my own accord. I won't be forced.
You just don't trust the CDC.
I do not trust the CDC. Absolutely not.
And that fuels their skepticism.
I have the right to question anybody in this country I want to question.
You're entitled to your own opinion, but these are facts.
Are they, though? Are they facts?
Lester, more than 40,000 people participated in the Pfizer clinical trial alone, but those workers are among the many who are not convinced.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.
And there you have it, guys. There you have it. What did Bob Marley say? Stand up, stand up, stand up for your rights, right? Stand up for your rights. I love the fact that these nurses are standing up for what they believe in. And you know what, Mr. Blasio? Where's your medical degree, right? Where do you get off asking people where their medical degree is? You don't need a medical degree to know what's going to be a good decision for you to make for yourself. If you want to get the vaccine, wonderful. If you want to wait until there are more studies and trials on that, wonderful. Okay. Since when do you get off telling other people what is good for them and what isn't good for them and if they have a medical degree or not? I just wanted to address that first because how dare he? He doesn't even have a medical degree himself. Okay. So back to the story with the 4 women who I am so very proud of, people in the medical field. I have talked to many nurses and healthcare professionals, doctors even, who have similar beliefs as the women in the video did. So I just wanted to show you because a lot of times people are stunned when they find out that healthcare workers are not, 100% on board with everything the mainstream media is trying to basically force down everyone's throat. And it really is enlightening and refreshing to see these nurses basically say how they feel about it. And I'm not saying yay or nay. That's up to you. Whatever you think is best for you is best for you. But I'm just saying if a person is saying that they want more time to figure out what's best for them, there's nothing wrong with that. And just because someone is a healthcare worker does not mean that they are automatically on board with everything that the mainstream agenda is trying to push and press onto everyone. Okay. And it's just amazing their faces when they're looking back at the reporter who's interviewing them. He just can't understand. They're like unicorns. It's like 4 unicorns sitting in front of him. He's like, well, you guys are in healthcare. I don't see how you could be feeling this way. It doesn't matter what you think or what you are trying to portray. They're telling you what they feel. You're not going to persuade them. You're not going to change their minds. That is how they feel, and they have absolutely every right to feel that way. So I just wanted to get on here really quick and show you this, that these are healthcare workers that actually have brains and minds and the courage and the guts to think for themselves and to stand up for what they believe in, because at the end of the day, yes, it is their body. Yes, it is their choice, and it doesn't make them any less of a nurse or a healthcare worker. All right. So that's the video, guys. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe.